Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting 30 days 30 automation challenge and it's going to be a day one of our challenge. So let's start without any further delay. What are we making today? So we are going to make a agent which is going to give us all of the information about that particular company, scrape the recent news about the company before a call. So this is a very important prospect for a sales agent that is going on a meeting, that they have all of the information that they need to get on a call about that particular company so that they can pitch their offer more gracefully and they know some of the plus points so that the prospect also feel that you did your homework. So this structure sends a latest news about the company for every meeting in your calendar each day, keeping you up to date with your leads and meeting partners. Okay. So firstly, I have a schedule trigger every morning at 7. You can you can tweak it according to your schedule, whichever time you wanted to run. And here we have the setup API key. Okay, so how we are going to set it up is we are going to manual mapping. Okay, we have the time frame, relatable time, and day of the week, year, month, and everything. Here we have API key, and here is string, value, news, age, number, and this. Max matrix string is going to be 20. 20 is a number we can explain scrape out of it and the email string and the value. Okay, so the email that the particular person has. So we are going to get that, and then we are going to get to the meetings for today. So I don't have meetings for today, that's why it's not showing that no data output returned. So that's why we have to every time it will run for today's and every meeting. Like you wake up and there is a sales agent that you have and that did all the research about all the meetings that you have in the particular day. It can be so much useful to you. Like we can add so many agents to it. Like if you wanted to scrape some of the LinkedIn profiles and if you wanted to get some of the more data, we can use Clay and we can enrich that particular person. So that is going to be very good. We just need to add our credentials, Google credentials. For that, we are going to the Google Cloud Console. We are going to create select a particular project, and after that, we are going to enable it and get the credentials from there. Okay, we are going to need client ID and client secret. Oh, let me just show you. It is opening up. Okay, so here we have the client secret and the client ID for that particular calendar. So, and then we are going to just sign in using your Google account. Okay, we're going to sign in and then now your account will be connected. Okay, so after today and before this, and expand event. Okay, so firstly, we are going to filter the meetings. Why? Because like today, I don't have any meeting, like it's a weekend day. So I don't have any meeting. So that's why there is no meeting today. So we do not need to scrape the data for the particular phase. So that's why we have the filter node when there is a meeting. Then it will go and scrape, extract the company name, get latest news and format for email, and then send it to the email. Okay, but no meetings today, then it will just end the workflow then and there. Okay, so here we have the call which starts with this, meeting with this. Okay, summary to lowercase and extract company name. We are going to extract the company name here, the value case, and all input fields. Okay. Edit note is basically to scrape all of the data, like the main important data that you had. Like there is a lot of information that comes, but only some of the parts are very important. So we're just going to need that. Okay, so get latest news. Here we have, this is the URL that we are going to use, and we are going to get the information from there. Okay, the news API or in V2, everything API, company name, and from the date and sort by the publishing and agent and search and title. Okay, so this is how we are providing that you're going to search this particular company name, this particular time period about the latest news because we wanted to get the latest news about them. Okay, what is the article that have published about their company, what is the new growth that they are doing. Like if I'm pitching a voice agent to them and I've seen that they have recently have certain decline in their customer service, then I can pitch that idea in the call that I've just read about your company, that this is the particular problem that you guys faced. So this is going to be very useful for the people. So yeah, here we have why I have added this node because it was not taking And it is like best to keep this because it will not like the workflow will not fail and it will get our data to the email format. Okay. So here we have the code node. It's going to give us all of the information that we have gotten from the news, and then we are going to send the email to that particular person, and they are going to. Okay, so this is the email send message operation. Again, you're going to connect your Gmail. That is going to the particular Google Cloud Console, and then creating a particular, select that particular project. After that, we're going to enable it, set our client ID, client secret, and then we are good to go. Subject, you can type whatever you wanted, but the message output is going to be the JSON HTML that we are getting from the previous node. Okay, latest news for the extract company, this is for the thing. Okay, it's in the HTML form because we are using our particularly code node. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. I hope that you have gained some of the prospect about this. I know it's a very small automation, but I think it really help people to get on a call, like to break that ice and get to know each other and close better deals. So it is very valuable agent. That's all I feel. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment, and let me know what we can do for the day 2 of our 30 days automation challenge. So yeah, see you then.